Parents of a 7-year-old boy commit suicide in the national capital after losing their son to dengue. This after 2 hospitals denied admission to their 7-year-old son, despite them having a harrowing time for 24 hours running from pillar to post from one hospital to another.
तो बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ बढ़ गई थी और किसी भी हॉस्पिटल ने जो है हॉस्पिटलाइज नहीं किया उसको, सबने मना कर दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि मैंने बहुत से डॉक्टर्स के पैर भी पकड़ लिए कि मेरे बच्चे को किसी तरह बचा लो। लास्ट में बत्रा हॉस्पिटल में उन्होंने उसको एडमिट किया।
But by then it was too late. Unable to bear the loss of their child, Lakshmi Chandra and Babita committed suicide by jumping off the roof of their 4-storied building.
The Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain has now taken cognizance of the matter and has issued a show cause notice to both the hospitals as to why they in fact rejected admission to a boy suffering from dengue.
बहुत ही दुखद है। दोनों हॉस्पिटल्स को हम तुरंत नोटिस इशू कर रहे हैं और दिल्ली के सभी अस्पतालों को हम आदेश दे रहे हैं कि अगर इमरजेंसी में कोई भी केस है तो उसको लेने से मना नहीं करेंगे। और अगर सिचुएशन ऐसी आती है, वो मजबूर करते हैं सरकार को उनका रजिस्ट्रेशन कैंसिल किया जाए, तो वो भी किया जाएगा।
यह घटना इतनी नीचे तक की व्यवस्था को स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय के खड़े हो करने के पश्चात अगर ऐसी घटना घटती है तो ये बहुत दुखद है। मैंने दिल्ली सरकार से तुरंत रिपोर्ट मांगी।
This is a show cause notice given by the Delhi government to Moolchand Hospital seeking answers from them as to why they turned away a patient who was dying. And this is an explanation from Max Saket Hospital, the other hospital in question, in which they clearly deny having received any patient by the name of Avinash Raut. And in fact, they also go on to say that the question of refusing admission then does not arise because the patient never came here.
Call it medical negligence or the administration's apathy, but it wiped out the life of an entire family who had come out from a small town in Orissa to look for a better future in the capital. With camera person Vimal, Jayanto Bhattacharya in Delhi for Times Now.